I used to be full face beat kind of girl. If I was gonna wear makeup, I was going to wear makeup, if you know what I'm saying. Now I have really entered my minimalist era. So like I just use makeup to enhance my beauty rather than just beating my face, if you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna show you guys how I literally get ready or like freshen up my face and look put together within like 3 minutes with literally just 3 products. And the products that I'm gonna be using, they're all by Merit Beauty. And I have them all here in my cute little bag. There's actually by Merit. The cool thing about Merit Beauty is that on your first order, they send you this cute little bag. Look how cute. And this is where I keep my makeup. Another thing that I want to mention real quick about them is that you get free shipping when you spend $40 or more. So to start with the skin, I like to just cover up some of the blemishes if I'm breaking out or anything like that. Like right now, I'm breaking out around here. So to even that out and to cover that up, I'm going to use Merit's Perfection Complexion Stick. This is supposed to replace your concealer and your foundation. You just apply this wherever you need it. So I got this shade Khaki, and I'm just literally going to apply it where I need some coverage. So that will be around here. I have a little bump. Merit is a minimalist beauty brand that creates products that is safe for your body, skin, and for the planet. So if you're going for a minimalist makeup look, this brand is like the go-to, obviously. And then I'm just going to blend that out with a foundation brush. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some of their blush in the color Beverly Hills. And the good thing about this is that it's multi-use, so you can apply it in your cheeks as a blush. You can also apply some on your eyelid if you want for some like color, and also on your lips. But I just like to use it on the cheeks. What I like about this blush is that it gives you a long-lasting glow that looks natural without looking cakey or too heavy. It is buildable, so you can build it up as your preference. And I like to bring it up all the way to my temples and also like by my brow bone to give it like some color and just blend in together. See how it looks? You see? No blush. Blush. And then I just like to take a little spoolie and brush my eyebrows. Brushing your eyebrows really makes a difference on your face and how you look. You look so much put together. Now, if you have to fill in your eyebrows, is that something that you have to do? You cannot walk out of your house without filling in your eyebrows. Do you, boo? But I'm okay with my eyebrows. I just brush them up and I'm ready to go. And for the lips, I'm going to apply their Tinted Lip Oil. Shade Slick Gelee in the shade Jete. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I tried. This tinted lip oil, when I tell you, it's so nice. It feels so lightweight on the lips, and it leaves like once it fades away, it lasts long. It's long lasting, but whenever it does fade away, it leaves your lips with this nice tint that is just very natural, and your lips feel and are left very hydrated and moisturizing. It is buildable because that's how it looks with one application, but if you want the color to really show, you can go ahead and apply more. And I feel like that's on my second application, the color really shows, and it just feels, my lips feel so nice and like lightweight. Like, you know, it's not like those lip oils that feel very sticky and heavy, and like when you talk, you feel like your lips are being stuck together. Not this one. This one's like very lightweight. This is all I've been wearing lately. So I'm going to apply one more product by Mascara, and it's their mascara. I know I said 3 products, but I need mascara. I'm gonna be applying their mascara. As you guys can see in the camera, my skin looks very like glowy, but like a natural glow. That is exactly what I'm looking for. I used to not like my face to be shiny because my skin is very oily, but now I'm just letting my skin shine bright like a diamond, and it's just, I feel like it gives you more of a youth look when you look like you're glowing. If you are interested on shopping Merit Beauty and checking out their other products, make sure to check out the description box down below because I will be leaving a link to their website. And like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're not already, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.